Hi y'all, quick video. I got this 2012 Hyundai Sonata here, hybrid. This speaker right here don't work at all. I mean, at all. So I decided to change it. So I purchased this right here from Amazon for $24.99. So I'm gonna install them in the car and see if I'll have sound on my passenger side, because there's no sound at all right now there. Yeah, removing these are actually super simple. You just get something flat like this and you just pull this up. That's pretty one too. And if you look closely right here, you see there's one screw here and there's one on the other side. Let me see if I can show you over here. Can you see? There's one screw here and then one down there. So those are the two screws you're gonna remove and to take it out, and then unplug it, plug the new one, and that should be it really. All right, I quickly discovered that a regular Phillips screwdriver is not gonna help you with this because it's too narrow. There's not enough space here. So I went to Home Depot and I purchased this right here. Hopefully that will save you sometimes. You know, even the smallest Phillips screwdriver is not gonna get this. Let's see if this will work. All right, so I was able to remove the screws with this right here. So let's see what we've got here. This is the old speaker here. So I just took it apart. This part right here was attached to this. It was basically like this right here. Over here, because it was on the bottom of this like this, but this is bigger. So all I did is I took this part right here, the connector, and just connect my two wires right here to it. So this right here is what's going to be connected to the car, and I already tested it. It actually works pretty well. So let me put it in. So I just wanted to show you right here. I already connect this part right here to this. And that's basically all you do, and then you're going to just let it fall in right here. And place the new speaker on the spot. So after screwing it back up, you just put the cover back on, and that should be it. And look at that, as if nothing happened. And let's test and see. Yep, so that's how it sounds, y'all. I mean, that's pretty clear, man. I like this. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment on your video, man. That way we can continue doing this thing together, bring you some more videos. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.